Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. It's a great day to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a recently renovated 2 double bedroom terrace property on Holt Street, M30. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your left opens it up. It's this lovely lounge area. Towards the rear, we've got this open plan, kitchen diner space. Nice new kitchen, again done within the last 2.5 years. And then just off this space, opens on out. This large garden complete with an outside toilet, storage space. There's access to a separate garage at the rear as well. Properties in this location popular due to the easy access transport links into Eccles town centre, along with the Trafford Centre, which hosts a wide variety of amenities, including shops and restaurants. As we head upstairs, straight on, we've got this lovely contemporary 3-piece bathroom, which is a really good size, as you can see. Then we've got the second bedroom just through here. Again, a large double bedroom. It's the front. We have a huge main bedroom, typical for properties of the style. Now this property would be ideal for someone who's looking for a property that they can pack their bags and move into. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.